Hello everybody, welcome to Enforcer Bros. Today I am going to do the unboxing of Logitech MK270r full wireless combo. Here comes the mouse. This is the wireless mouse. Smooth scrolling, ambidextrous, and this need one AA battery. This is the USB Bluetooth controller. I mean Bluetooth adapter. This is the keyboard. This is full size keyboard. The keys are really comfortable for me. Very comfortable for me. This is the back side. This is the on off button. This is the battery. This needed two AAA batteries for charging. So that's it. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching, and please like and share. And have a nice day. Peace out.